Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will give you woodworking tips for beginners by showing you a collection of different wooden craft design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking can be a deeply rewarding hobby that allows beginners to engage with their creativity while developing practical skills. For those just starting their journey into this craft, understanding some fundamental tips can significantly enhance the learning experience and lead to more successful projects. One of the first and most crucial tips for beginners is to invest in quality tools. While it might be tempting to purchase the cheapest options available, quality tools can make a significant difference in both the ease of use and the outcome of projects. As a beginner, it's important to start with a basic set of essential tools that are durable and reliable, such as a good handsaw, a chisel set, a hammer, and a tape measure, before expanding to more specialized equipment. Properly maintaining tools is equally important. Ensuring that saw blades are sharp and that tools are cleaned after each use will prolong their lifespan and improve performance. Another essential tip for beginners is to understand the importance of safety. Woodworking can involve sharp tools and heavy materials, so it is critical to adopt safety practices from the outset. Wearing safety goggles to protect the eyes from flying debris, using ear protection when working with power tools, and ensuring that the workspace is clean and organized can prevent accidents. Understanding how to handle tools correctly and working at a comfortable pace will also help minimize risks. Additionally, it is beneficial for beginners to be mindful of the type of wood they choose for their first projects. Softwoods like pine or cedar are often recommended for beginners due to their workability. They are easier to cut, shape, and sand than hardwoods, which can be denser and more challenging to manipulate. Familiarizing oneself with different wood types, their properties, and their uses will provide a strong foundation for future projects. Planning is a crucial aspect of woodworking that beginners should not overlook. Before starting any project, it is wise to sketch out a design and create a cut list that outlines the dimensions and quantities of each piece needed. This careful planning helps to minimize mistakes and waste, allowing for a smoother workflow. Additionally, it's beneficial to take accurate measurements and double-check them before making any cuts. The old adage, measure twice, cut once, is particularly relevant in woodworking, as a single mistake can lead to wasted materials and frustration. Beginners should also practice patience. Woodworking is often a meticulous process that requires time and attention to detail. Rushing through tasks can result in errors or unsafe practices, so it's essential to take the time necessary to do things right. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As beginners gain confidence in their skills, they should also consider learning about different woodworking techniques. Mastering basic joinery methods, such as butt joints, lap joints, and mortise and tenon joints, can significantly enhance a beginner's ability to create sturdy and aesthetically pleasing projects. Understanding how to use clamps effectively will also help in holding pieces together while glue sets or while fastening them with screws. Experimenting with different finishing techniques, such as sanding, staining, or applying a finish, can elevate the final appearance of a project and protect the wood from wear and tear. Beginners should not shy away from making mistakes. Mistakes are an inherent part of the learning process and can often lead to valuable lessons. Each project, whether completed successfully or not, provides a unique opportunity for growth and improvement. Engaging with the woodworking community can also be incredibly beneficial for beginners. Many resources are available, including online forums, instructional videos, and local workshops, which can provide guidance and inspiration. Connecting with experienced woodworkers can also offer insights that are not found in books or online. Many seasoned craftsmen are eager to share their knowledge and techniques, so don't hesitate to ask questions or seek advice. Joining local woodworking clubs or attending craft fairs can foster connections with others who share similar interests, providing a support system and encouragement as beginners develop their skills. Finally, it's essential for beginners to cultivate a mindset of creativity and experimentation. Woodworking is not just about following instructions, it's also about exploring one's artistic side and finding innovative solutions to challenges. As beginners become more comfortable with their tools and techniques, they can start to incorporate their own ideas and personal styles into their projects. Taking the time to create unique designs will not only enhance the enjoyment of woodworking, but will also lead to a greater sense of accomplishment. As skills improve, the ability to visualize and execute more complex projects will grow, providing endless opportunities for creativity and expression. Woodworking for beginners is an exciting journey that combines skill development, creativity, and problem-solving. By investing in quality tools, prioritizing safety, and engaging in careful planning, beginners can set themselves up for success. Engaging with the woodworking community can provide inspiration, support, and knowledge, making the journey even more enjoyable. Ultimately, embracing creativity and experimentation will lead to a fulfilling woodworking experience, allowing beginners to create beautiful and functional pieces that reflect their personal style and craftsmanship. As they progress, they will find that woodworking is not just a skill, but a rewarding form of self-expression that can bring joy and satisfaction for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked different kind of wooden craft design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.